So can you explain the difference between primary, secondary, and log files in SQL Server?
Well, primary data files in SQL Server contain the startup information for the database and point to the other files in the database. Each database has one primary data file. These files have an MDF extension. Secondary data files are optional and used to spread data across multiple disks, which can help improve performance. They have an NDF extension. Then, there are log files, which hold all the log information to recover the database. They have an LDF extension. In one of my projects, we set up a large database with one primary file, several secondary files to distribute the data load across different drives, and log files to ensure data integrity and recoverability.
That's interesting. How did you decide on the number and size of secondary files in that project?
Actually, we analyzed the data growth patterns and performance requirements. We used the SQL Server's built-in performance tools like the Database Engine Tuning Advisor to understand the I/O patterns. Based on that, we decided to create multiple secondary files across different physical disks to reduce contention and improve read-write performance. We also set up auto-growth settings to manage space efficiently.
And what were some challenges you faced in managing the log files?
In my experience, managing log files can be tricky, especially when they grow unexpectedly. We implemented a regular log backup schedule to ensure the log file size was kept in check, which also helped in maintaining a point-in-time recovery strategy. Monitoring tools like SQL Server Management Studio alerts were set up to notify us if the log file size exceeded certain thresholds, allowing us to take proactive measures.
Interesting approach. How do you ensure data recovery using these log files?
So, we always ensured that our log files were included in the backup strategy. We performed regular full, differential, and log backups. This approach allowed us to restore the database to a specific point in time if needed. During a recovery test, we used the restore command with the with recovery option to roll forward the changes from the log backups, which validated our disaster recovery process.
Great! Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers SQL Server file types comprehensively.